Hello everyone, today we'll be discussing about an important API that can really help SEO experts to get rich information about all the URLs directly into your Screaming Frog. So today we'll be discussing about the URL inspection API. So basically this is an API which will be helping you to get all the data of your URLs from your Google Search Console directly into your Screaming Frog with the help of a very simple API. Before going further, API is a bridge which can allow two of the softwares to communicate with each other without the necessary running of long codes and other lengthy or complex execution procedures. So come, let us find out. So first of all, there is an usage limit, so you can run up to 2000 URLs per property a day or 600 queries per minute, whichever is more convenient to you. Few of the steps. The first step is click on configuration on your Google Cloud Console, click on API, and then select your Google Search Console and choose the property which you need to connect. After that, so this is a common screenshot which you can see. So this is basically taken from Screaming Frog Spider. After that, proceed to connect to new account as shown here. So you need to click on connect to the new account, and then there will be pop up on the desired Google account which would like to receive the information on the verification code. So a message will appear. So you can just select your property and connect to your account. In our case, we have used that where, and then tick this on enable URL inspection checkbox as shown on the screen, and after integrating the search API with the Screaming Frog, crawl the website once again. So once the website is crawled, as you can see from the right hand side under the overview section, there will be a new section known as Search Console, and under here you can view additional important things such as all the URLs, the URLs which have more than 0 clicks, the URLs which have no GSC data, non-indexable URLs, orphan URLs, URLs which are not present on the Google, and so on. And this is really very important as an SEO experts like us. So here are a few of the goals of the new parameters. URL is not on Google, or indexable URL not indexed. URL is on Google but has issues. User declared canonical but not selected. Page is not mobile friendly. AMP issues. So this is how a generic data would look like, and this API would really bring a very important opportunities in the entire ecosystem to see the Search Console data in an exciting way. So guys, as you have seen, this is a very interactive and an innovative way by which you can visualize your existing errors or things which are present on your Search Console into your Screaming Frog Spider, and then being an SEO, you can easily understand which URLs have to be re-indexed, or which URLs are dead, which URLs have are under the orphan category, or which URLs needs to be into the sitemap or not into the sitemap. So you can literally understand every single possibility of the errors, warnings, and even the notices in a clear visualization way by a simple API integration with this Search Console from the Screaming Frog. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.